fucking VTEC!
VTEC, bro.
Dude, there ain't shit going on there. Wait, the cops are gone though. Oh, wait, nope, they're right there. Wait, I wanna race.
Oh my god, my god.
I wanna do race stuff. How about you, truck?
Get him, bro.
I'm telling you, he drives like a fucking
Yeah, he does
retard.
drive kind of crazy.
All these fuckers drive like retards. Like him. Are you really about to race?
I think
I want to race too.
I can get him. Bro, how the get on him, bro! Smoke his ass, bro! It's the rims, bro. He's too low. He's rubbing hard. Mustang in it too? What? It's on. Look, he's recording too. Get him. Get this motherfucker.
Oh, Beamer, what's good?
Oh,
Race his
it's
ass.
on, bro.
You gotta tell him.
You ain't about it. You ain't about it.
I got that hoe.
Get him in the launch, dude.
I just beat that fucking Mustang.
On green, dog. On green.
I got fat asses back here, so
4 versus 2.
I just beat that Mustang.
that's cool. I just beat that Ferrari back there.
Alright, here it is. Ready?